YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I do believe, Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Alright. Here we go. Yeah, this is definitely a Amazon unboxing. Like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your cart, and they'll ship this to you really fast. This is coming from my friends over at Lepow. This is a Z1 Gamut Type C portable display. Oh, definitely excited for this, guys. This would be great for a Nintendo Switch, Xbox, PlayStation, retro systems, you name it. This could do it all. Chromebooks, MacBooks, laptops. Here we go. And Z1 Gamut. There. Alright, here's what you get. And here we go, guys. You got the charger, or the USB power. So you can use this with the power banks and stuff like that. USB Type C cable. There we go. Nice and long. Put this in here. Voila. Here we go. Comes with a screen protector, which I'm probably not going to use because this will be more for home, but this would be great for your office, college dorm, bedroom, kids room. Oh, got some kind of heavy, not too heavy though. We got HDMI or USB Type C, cleaning wipes, manual, HDMI, and FAQ. Okay, we'll put this. Really nice setup they have. Nice display, nice box. Really good stuff though. I have quite a few monitors from them now, and this is a brand new one. But they're all really good, so you guys will not be disappointed. Whoa. Comes with a case. This is nice. Professional. Okay, that's the bottom. I was wanting to fold up. Oh, this is a nice size. I forgot how to do these. I think you gotta figure this out. Hold on one sec. Alright guys, here we go. Got it stand. And now we're gonna hook it up so you can remove the shield, which I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna use it. Look at that, really nice. And then now, here's the side, HDMI, headset, HDMI, and USB. We got the volume, the menu, the power button, and another Type-C USB. So speakers here, and speakers are here. Here's the back. Really nice. And now I'm going to turn this thing on and hook it up to my Chromebook. Actually, we'll do it. It should be able to reach. Alright guys, here we go. Got it all connected. Got that cord running to this piece, or Chromebook. And then the power all the way there. So now I just gotta set it up into my display as Type-C. And then I could extend the display. See? Now this is gonna be my primary, and that could be my secondary. But yeah, this thing looks sweet. Definitely watch some movies on this. We'll just check out my YouTube videos, because I don't copyright those. Give me 1 second. So definitely check them out. Lepow. Amazing stuff they have for your gaming monitors, watching movies, watching YouTube videos. Just to have an extra screen around is amazing. It is well worth the investment. Just gotta figure out where is the mouse. There it is. And there I am. I'll just check out this video really quick. You can still hear the sound. I haven't turned it up, so we'll leave it at there. So really nice picture though. So definitely check them out. Like I said, you can do gaming on it, watch movies, watch YouTube videos, and pretty much that's about it though. This is the Lepow Gamut. Look at that. And then all you guys gotta do is click my Amazon affiliate link, check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. So you guys have a good weekend, be safe, and see you soon.